Welcome back to another video about U.S. immigration laws. But before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you won't miss other videos. Today's video is about Form I-90, application to replace permanent resident card. Typically, you want to apply Form 90 when your current green card is about to expire and you need another green card, which will be issued for another 10 years. You can also use Form I-90 when you need to update your green card or get a replacement if your current green card is lost, stolen, or damaged. Keep in mind, however, that you cannot use Form I-90 to replace the green card if you are a conditional permanent resident. Conditional permanent residents are immigrants who move to the U.S. as a spouse to a U.S. citizen or another permanent resident. You also cannot use Form I-90 as an investor in an American business. USCIS lets you obtain conditional residentship if you invest $1 MON in U.S. economics. You need to apply Form I-90, application to replace permanent resident card when your current green card expires within the next 3 months, 90 days. General Form I-90 instructions. Follow the recommendations below to file Form I-90 with USCIS. Sign the application form. If your form is not signed, USCIS will reject your application. We also strongly recommended writing block letters to improve the legibility of the text. Do not omit or hide any information that USCIS requests from you in the application form. If you think that the information you provide may make you ineligible for a new green card, you should consult a lawyer to figure out a solution. If you make an error when writing information into the form, you have to start a new application form, which is not a problem as the application form is available for free on our website or on the USCIS website. Gather the supporting documentation for your petition. Provide evidence such as police reports, a birth or marriage certificate, or similar documentation if you want to renew your green card. Without the supporting evidence, USCIS will reject your Form I-90 application. USCIS usually requires copies of the documents to support your Form I-90. But if you decide to include the originals when they are not requested by USCIS, then the immigration officer or worker at USCIS may destroy these originals. Form I-90 fee. Currently, the filing fee for Form I-90, application to replace permanent resident card, is $455. On top of this fee, you should be ready to spend another $85 for the biometric services. USCIS may need your photographs, fingerprints, and signature, although you may not need to pay the biometrics fee. As with all other forms, USCIS mentions that you can pay the filing fee for Form I-90 using a money order, personal check, or cashier's check. You can also pay using your credit or debit card, provided you filed Form G-1450, authorization for credit card transactions. Reason besides filing fees by application. The reason for the application of my card is lost, stolen, or destroyed, and form fee is $455, and biometric services are $85. The reason for the application of my previous card was issued but never received, and form fee is $0 and biometric services is $0. The reason for the application of my card has been mutilated, and form fee is $455 and biometric services are $85. My existing card has incorrect data because of a DHS error, and form fee is $0 and biometric services is $0. My name or other information has been legally changed, and form fee is $455 and biometric services are $85. My card will expire within 6 months or has already expired, and form fee is $455 and biometric services are $85. Form I-90 processing time. The U.S. government does not specify the exact timeframe for renewal of their permanent resident card. In most cases, it takes 6 to 12 months to process your information and take a decision to issue a new green card in your case or not. Where to send Form I-90? You can send your Form I-90, application to replace permanent resident card, to 3 USCIS mailboxes. You can only send the application to the specific mailbox depending on the state where you live though. Visit the Where to File section on the Form I-90 page to get the exact information. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe to Immigration.